Ciao, ciao.
Buonasera.
Buonasera.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome back to Michele and Elisa in the Kitchen Isolation Edition.
Right.
I can't get that right now.
That's okay.
Okay, so
Elisa's going to take it away.
we are doing one of my favorite drinks ever, Aperol Spritz. And since it's an Italian drink
And Venetian particularly.
and we're stuck at home with so much time, we dressed up fancy. Okay, Mother, she
Yes.
also likes these too.
Yes.
So
love
Aperol
them.
Spritz, there's like what do you call it?
A variety of
No,
methods?
no. Okay, we'll
What are those?
a
Yeah.
3-2-1, like a code.
Oh, ratio.
There's like a ratio 3-2-1. It's usually 3 parts Prosecco, 2
My
parts
favorite.
Aperol, and 1 part soda water. When I make them for my friends, it's usually 3-3-1, 3 and 3, and then 1 of that.
But we're not
no.
doing that.
And we're also changing it. It's normally Prosecco, but we are going to use pink Prosecco.
Right.
Okay? So,
Go.
Aperol
Take it away.
first.
Okay.
So we'll
Don't
do
we need a
3-2-1.
measure? Cup?
No, what
Oh.
we're going to do is 3-2-1. So we'll go like 1-2, 1-2, boom.
I thought we were supposed to do 3.
3 is for the Prosecco.
Oh, okay.
So then we have our Prosecco. And we're gonna go 1, 2, 3.
That's easy.
1, 2, 3.
Yummers.
And then our it's basically just a little.
A little bit.
A little
to keep it spritzy.
one. Oh, yeah. Okay, fine. We'll put a little bit more in that one.
For me, otherwise I'll be sleeping in
Yeah.
5 minutes.
And then to garnish, an orange slice.
Lovely.
Will it fit in?
Oh, you don't put it on the side?
Put it in.
You could do it every night.
And there you have
And
it.
there you have
Fast and easy Aperol Spritz. Chin chin.
Chin chin.
Chin,
Ciao
chin.
ciao.
Ciao.
Mm.